Hey, what's up you guys, it's me Andrine and welcome back to my channel. So now that summer is finally here, nothing tastes better than a cold breakfast. So today we're going to be making my go-to overnight oats. This breakfast is also full of fiber and it's very customizable because you can add whatever toppings you'd like, and you can also scale up or down this recipe to your preference. So if you like more of these recipes or like more videos of me, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And that's it, let's just get on with the video. So the ingredients you will need are So I'm using this very cute bowl today. It's heart-shaped. So it's as simple as just pouring all of the ingredients in. So 1/4 of a cup of oatmeal, 1/2 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a little bit of cinnamon. It's always, I should use a teaspoon, but because I always add too much. And then 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I'm using vanilla. And then lastly, add your milk. This could be any milk you'd like, almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk. And then I blend it again. And since these are overnight oats, you want them to rest in the fridge for overnight. But if you're making it the day you're going to be eating it, you still have to prepare it some hours ahead, so it gets the chance to thicken up. And now that all the ingredients are combined, it looks like this. Maybe not that appetizing, but the toppings will do it all. So I usually just put this in the fridge with my spoon because I'm always using this spoon to eat it anyways. But you can take the spoon out if you'd like. But I'm just doing what I usually do. So yeah, just let it rest in the fridge for overnight. And while I'm waiting, I'm just going to prepare some fruits and other toppings that I'd like to put on top of our oatmeal. I did come prepared, so I already made a batch of overnight oats that I've let sit overnight. So now it's ready. I did this for your sake, so you didn't have to wait 24 hours before part 2. So when it's out of the fridge, just give it a quick stir. And usually I would just add my toppings in here and then just eat it right out of this bowl. But what am I trying to say? I want this to look very pretty for Instagram, so I'm going to put a little bit more effort into my overnight oats. So I'm actually going to be adding it in this glass. This is a bit harder than I thought. Gotta be patient. Like this. I had to move this to a smaller cup because the other one was way too big, as you probably saw. But now I'm going to do the finishing touches. After a long time of decorating, I'm ready to have a taste. So let's just let our hair down. Okay. Okay. I'm just very excited. I love when food you make tastes like a dessert, but you can eat it for breakfast. It's just the best part of making food. Okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed tasting the food as well as making it, and you should definitely try it out. And if you haven't tried out my latest recipe, the chocolate baked oats. You have to try it. I often think about it, just craving it, so I definitely recommend you trying it. So I'll have a link here that will direct you to the video. And I also have social media. You can follow me on Instagram at @andrinemarie, so you should definitely follow me there as well. And I think I mentioned everything I wanted to say in this video and share with you guys, but if you have any other video recommendations, just leave them down below and I will look at them and make sure that the video will get to you. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you later. Bye! No, it touched the side. Doesn't look like what I wanted it to look like.